In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Web Developer add-on for Firefox. For those of you who are taking the CTEC 122 class in the classroom, you may have seen in Firefox a series of buttons that appear below the address bar. Well, that is the Web Developer add-on. So I'm going to give you in the lower right here the URL to this add-on that you can download. You'll type it in, and you'll be able to get this page here, and then you'll click on the Add to Firefox. And what that's going to do, the Add to Firefox button that is, and that's going to install this add-on into your copy of Firefox. If I click on Add to Firefox, it's going to ask me to install. I'm going to install it. It asks me now to restart Firefox. I'll click on that button. So here is Firefox relaunched, and notice now we have this toolbar. Okay, it's got things like cookies, CSS, forums, images, information, miscellaneous, tools, and more. Now, let me just hop back into my demo page here that I used in previous videos, and here it is. This is the one I used in validation of HTML and CSS. Now, if I go into this drop down here and say Disable Styles, look at that. Turns my style sheet on and off. I can go back and re-enable it, and there's my style sheet. Okay, there's a whole bunch of other options. I'll let you explore those on your own. In a future unit, when we start learning about forums, right, and your project that you're going to have to do, your final project, ask you to write some pages with forums, these tools here in this menu are going to make your life working with forums a lot easier. Same thing with images, right? There's a lot of things here for assisting you with your web page development having to do with images. I'll let you explore these on your own, but one of my favorites, right, and we learned a lot about validation in the Unit 4 video on validating HTML and CSS, right? I can now, and just so you know, I'm working locally. This is a local copy of my file, and if I go under Tools, and I go under Validate Local CSS here, watch this. Poof. There it is. It has validated my CSS for me, okay? And I can do the same thing, right, with local HTML. Now, I also have a copy of this page out on the CTEC server. So let me go find it. I think I have it here. Maybe not. Let's see. There it is. So now, if I go Tools, Validate CSS here, this is going to go out and use the validator to validate the copy I have up on the CTEC server, right? And there it is, okay? And I can do the same thing, right, with validate HTML. There it is. It goes off and validates. No longer do I need to upload my code or type in the URL at the validator sites for HTML and CSS. Hope you get a chance to install these tools because they're going to help you out tremendously.